Hello friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me, and welcome if you're new to my channel. My name's Alyssa, and for today's project we're going to be making this mini pocket file folder. So there are 4 pockets total in this little file folder, and I designed it so that it would fit 3x4 journaling cards or cut aparts perfectly. So I have a pocket here on the outside, and it does have a cute little puffy mermaid sticker there. I added a butterfly to the corner as well, and also some little charm dangles here. I've just been so obsessed lately with adding little charms to my projects. They just add such a cute little touch. So I have a seashell and a starfish. And then here's my 3x4 journaling card. And so I guess I pretty much alternate the way I hold this. So I hold it this way sometimes and this way. So I just have a pocket as well right here. And there's another 3x4 journaling card. You could also choose to have it on this side if you want, and I'll show you how to do that when we get to the tutorial. But here's my little tab, and I just added a little heart gemstone there. I suppose you don't even need to add a tab, but I just love the look of file folders, and I know you guys do too. So I wanted to add a little tab there to the side, but on the inside are 2 more pockets, and these hold 3x4 journaling cards as well. And I just have a little anchor sticker here and one of these chipboard embellishments from Dollar Tree. So that's pretty much it for this little pocket file folder. So this is going to be a super quick and easy project. So let's go ahead and we can make one of these together. You will just need 1 sheet of paper that measures 10.5 inches by 6.5 inches. And I'm going to hold this at the 6.5 inch side first, and we're going to score at 2 inches. So just 2 inches, and then we're going to turn this to the 10.5 inch side, and we're going to score at 3.5 and 7 inches. So 3.5 and 7, so that we have something that looks like this. And what we want to do is just cut a slit right along this score line here. And we're also going to do that for this score line as well. But for this one, I'm going to cut a skinny little triangle out. So let me just start with this score line here and cut a slit. Like this, just to that point there. And then I'm going to cut my skinny little triangle slit over here. That was very bad. All right. So it's going to look something like this. And basically these two we can fold up like this to create our inside pockets. And then we can fold the right side over. And then this left portion we're going to fold back. And we're going to fold this little panel back as well, so that it's going to look like this in the front. All right, so this is the front, and it opens up like this for the inside. So super quick and easy assembly. And now all we have to do is glue down our pockets. So this is going to be the outside pocket, and I'm just going to glue that down first. And so this is where it opens up here to create that other pocket, either here or you can do it here on this side. So that's up to you. I think I'll do it on this side this time. So I'm just gonna glue down the appropriate sides. And close that up. And then on the inside here, you just have to glue down these pockets. So we'll do that. Pop some glue there. And here. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get a scrap paper as well, just to create my little tab over here. And so I really love to use my branding strips to create my tabs, but I'm just gonna use this skinny little scrap strip that I had. So it really doesn't matter what size your tab is, but I like to make it at least 1.5 inches. And I think that's a good size for a little file folder like this. So I'm just gonna take this scrap and I'm going to corner around 2 of those corners there. And then I guess it doesn't matter if you glue it on the inside or the outside, but I'm gonna put mine just right on the inside here, like this, and that'll be my little tab. And then you can even attach some charms right to the tab rather than doing it like on this side, like how I did with my first one. I just poked a hole through this little spine part there. But yeah, tons of options for decorating and making it look super cute. These are also great little gift card holders. So any kind of small flat items you can put in here. They're great for junk journal inserts, all sorts of things. Flat mail, happy mail, pen pal mail, you name it. So let's quickly go ahead and decorate this and fill it up. So as I said before too, these are perfect for 3x4 journaling cards. So I have a ton of Project Life ones. I'm just gonna use those in this file folder today. This one I'll put in the top pocket here. It kind of slides down all the way, so I'm just gonna leave a little bit of it hanging out there. And I'm gonna put this sticker right here. And so as I said before too, really it doesn't matter which way you want to hold it. I always go back and forth anyway, so either way it's gonna be super cute. I've got some more 3x4 cards. And I'm just gonna grab this scrap paper here and attach that with this little stamp sticker just to this pocket here. I know I'm kind of covering up the whole design, but that's okay. And actually, let me just glue this down so that this can be a little writing spot. And actually, I'm going to just put this little sentiment over here. Go out and make things happen. I'm going to maybe make a little dangle here. And by that, I just mean adding a few beads or charms. So I'm just gonna actually poke a hole with my awl just on the back here of my tab. I mean, you can punch a hole and put an eyelet or something like that. I'm just gonna add one little charm here. Okay, it's really hard for me to do charms and dangles and things like that on camera because I have to look so close and I don't want my head taking up the whole camera space. But that's pretty much it. I just added this little rose charm here to my file folder. And I apologize, my neighbor is mowing his lawn, but this is where we're gonna end the video anyway, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this fun little mini project today. Super quick and easy and so cute. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration. I would love to be friends, so leave me a comment down below and say hello. And I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting, everyone, and huge hugs.